You look great in a t-shirt, but the second it comes off, the reality hits. A soft belly, a flat chest, and zero muscle definition. You're thin, yet you can still pinch a handful of fat around your waist. This is the skinny fat trap. It's the most frustrating physique to fix because the standard advice is a lie. If you dirty bulk, you just get softer. If you crash cut, you look like a smaller, weaker version of yourself. You've been following advice for people who are either 100 pounds overweight or already shredded. Neither of those is you. To fix this, you don't need a more intense workout. You need a hormonal and metabolic reset. Today, I'm showing you the exact science-backed protocol to trigger body recomposition, losing fat and building muscle simultaneously. We're using 5 specific Japanese habits to force your body to change, without the starvation or the soul-crushing cardio. The easy way, actually. Step 1. The Hara Hachi Bu protocol. Stop searching for a magic diet. Your real problem is the metabolic chaos caused by bouncing between aggressive bulks and near starvation. In Japan, there's a concept called Hara Hachi Bu, eating until you're only 80% full. This isn't just a tradition. It's a biological hack for body recomposition. To build muscle while burning fat, you must stay in the Goldilocks zone. Maintenance calories or a tiny 15% deficit. Think of it like charging your phone. Too much power overheats the battery. Too little and it shuts down. Use a TDEE calculator to find your target, then hit that number with 80% consistency. Don't aim for perfection, aim for balance. That is how you kill the skinny fat look. The easy way, actually. Step 2. The Washoku protein rule. Here's the truth. Fat loss without protein is just shrinking. You'll lose weight, but you'll still look soft because there's no muscle base underneath. To change your actual shape, you need to adopt the Japanese Washoku principle, balancing every meal with high-quality protein. Studies consistently show you need 1.6 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight. If you weigh 60 kilograms, your target is 100 to 120 grams daily. Think of protein like bricks at a construction site. Your workouts are just the workers. Without bricks, nothing gets built. Stick to simple, high bioavailability sources. Eggs, Greek yogurt, paneer, lentils, soy chunks, chicken, milk, protein shakes. Simple foods work. Step 3. Kaizen training, the progress trigger. Going to the gym just to feel tired is the fastest way to make zero progress. To fix skinny fat, you must adopt the Japanese philosophy of Kaizen. Continuous, small improvements compound massively over time. Muscle only grows when forced to adapt through progressive overload. Think of it like leveling up in a video game. You don't jump from level 1 to level 100 overnight. You gain tiny upgrades, more weight, more reps, or better control every single week. If you benched 50 kilograms for 8 reps last week, you must aim for 9 reps or 52 kilograms today. Muscle growth happens during those final, difficult reps when your brain wants to quit. That struggle is the signal your body needs to replace fat with muscle. Stop lifting randomly. Follow a structured program, track your numbers, and focus on being 1% better every session. Consistency beats intensity. That's the Kaizen way. Step 4. Shinrin-Yoku, the anti-stress hack. Most people think they need brutal cardio to burn off this skinny fat belly. But here's the problem. Intense, punishing cardio spikes cortisol. When your stress hormones are constantly high, your body enters survival mode, clinging to visceral fat and sacrificing muscle. The science. Instead of destroying yourself on a treadmill, practice Japanese Shinrin-Yoku, forest walking, or simple daily movement. Aim for 7,000 to 10,000 steps every day, with about 35% of them being fast walking steps. Walking creates optic flow, a neurological process that calms your brain's fear center and signals it's safe to burn fat. Think of cardio like seasoning in a dish. A little improves everything, but too much ruins it. Walk after meals, take calls while moving, or take the stairs. The easy way, actually. Step 5. Inemuri recovery, the growth foundation. Your body doesn't build muscle in the gym, it builds it while you sleep. In Japan, the concept of Inemuri, resting while present, highlights a deep cultural respect for recovery. For you, this means prioritizing a high-quality night's rest. According to famous sleep researcher Dr. Matthew Walker, sleep deprivation crashes testosterone and spikes cortisol. The perfect recipe for staying skinny fat. Protect your 7+ hour sleep window. This is when growth hormones peak and repair the damage from your Kaizen training. To fix skinny fat, master the Easyway checklist. Maintenance calories, Hara Hachi Bu, 1.6 grams protein per kilogram, Washoku, Weekly 1% gym gains, Kaizen, 10,000 steps, Shinrin-Yoku, and 7+ hours of sleep. Stop suffering through random diets. Pick one habit, comment your choice below to start your 6-month transformation, and subscribe to Easyway actually for more science-backed guides.